Hello everybody, Jack from Jardin. Today we will assemble together a DP90 full spectrum 280 watts. This kit will include the tent itself, the S90, an extractor, 350 meter cube, filter 250, monkey fan for the ventilation, the Cosmoro kit 200 watt full spectrum plus an upgrade of 80 watts so that you can get 280 watts. And you will have to buy two multi-sockets and a timer. So we start to assemble it now. The frame is assembled. We have three space boosters, water tray, much easier before, plus two parts of the ducting flange, okay, which are clip, okay. Be careful to put the small recess outside, and after we cover, okay. To remind you that you can set up the ducting flange anywhere in the tent. You can also put the extractors on the top with a filter if you want to have a very tall glass, okay? You choose what is really important is that it is extraction and interaction must be diagonally far, so that after you swap the air inside and you have the best atmosphere control. We will assemble the cable flange and we put reflective inside. Now let's set up the ventilations. So extractor first. You've got an arrow to show you the direction of the wind, so you want to do extraction, okay? You have an inside sensor, but for this tent I prefer the outside sensor. Okay, and then after we can cable it. Okay, we will see this after, which will disconnect the inside sensors. We will do the Cosmoro kit 200 plus upgrade 80 watts with the sockets. We don't show you, it's easier than Lego. So let's do it. So now, three small advices. When you want to do the growing stage, you can have only 5 or 3 cups. Just unplug them, okay? You unplug 2, you unplug 4, 3, whatever. Second advice is, if you really need strong power, the strongest on the market for 90 by 90, you just add 2 cups and you've got 360 watts, but you might need some CO2, okay? Third advice, if it's a bit hot during summer times, you have 2 solutions. You can have some ducting flange with light buffer, passive intake. You put 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, and you will increase really a lot your exchange rate, air. Or you can use small intake, small extractors. You put intake and you will increase also. So your choice. DS90 full spectrum, assembled in short period, 280 watts, ppf 2.85, intensive load. Cheers.